Hello YouTube, this is Anna Kim from unboxingjerseys.com. Today, this review is for our new shoes. The shoes review. I just is unboxing. I just got it from the factory. This shoes the Lebron XS size is 9.5. Okay, you can see this label on the shoe box. The Nike shoes. Okay guys, it's unboxing. And let us check this inside. This new arrival shoes. We can check the details. Okay, this red color sneakers, the Nike. You can check the good quality. It's very soft. Okay, black Nike logo. And here is also Nike logo. And you guys can see this logo also being printed. Okay. Inside the label showing the size information. Okay, this new arrival, and you can see some paper inside to keep up the shape of the sneaker. Okay guys, do you like this new sneaker, the Nike Lebron sneaker? If you like, just go to my website unboxingjerseys.com to choose it, and you will also find some jerseys on my website also. So welcome to order there, and if you have any questions or requirements about our products or our website, you can feel free to send me email or just talk with me online on my website. I will try my best to help you guys to solve this any problem. Okay guys, that's all for this shoes review, and I will update more. Please support my channel and also give me the comments. Okay, thank you very much and have a nice day.